Oh my gosh, you scared me. Hi. Yeah, you are really early. This is first time coming here. Yeah, hi, I'm Miss Harper. Nice to meet you. So, are you here for the meeting we're having today? Great. So, just like 5 minutes early, totally fine. I really don't mind that. So, did you bring this notebook and a clipboard or something you can take notes on? Great, you came fully prepared. So how many notebooks did you bring today? 5 notebooks. That's a lot of notebooks, which is pretty good. Don't panic. Don't panic. It's fine. The maximum is probably 20 notebooks, so you're fine. Because we have to have a lot of notebooks for each subject. So today I'm basically going to be sharing a workshop with you, a very special workshop. So I really hope that I'm really happy that you're here. Because a lot of people only have one notebook, and it's the college rule notebooks don't have that much, room in them. So yeah. So I'm already loving you already. So can I just get your name, please, so I can check you in? Already get you up for attendance, Oh my gosh, it's fine. Right here, hi. It's a beautiful name. I'll just check you in. Okay, so, why am I using this microphone? Oh, so I lost my voice, like, a few weeks ago. So, when I have a meeting, I usually like to have this little guy with me, so I can go to get everyone's attention, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, do you have stick? Oh, sorry. Oh, I keep on having my mic turned off. Okay, there we go. So, sorry about that. Okay. Anyways, do you have sticky notes? No? Do not worry, it's totally fine. I have like 100. You can borrow this pad. I have a clipboard, I have my keyboard, it's fine. Alrighty, so they should be coming in any minute now. So I'm so happy that you're joining this meeting today. You can go ahead, sit wherever you want for now, and then later we're gonna set up with some partners. We're gonna get some work done. Sound good? Alrighty. Alrighty, thank you all for coming to this meeting. I'm gonna stand up because why not? So, thank you all for coming to this meeting. I'm going to be, wait, hold on. Sorry about that, the professor was calling me. My boss was calling me. Anyways, so I'm going to be taking attendance. So yeah. Charlotte, hi. Mackenzie, hi. Good morning. Good afternoon, sorry. Joseph, good afternoon. Lily, good afternoon. Isabella, good afternoon. Ava, good afternoon, honey. Gia, good afternoon. Harper, good afternoon. I'm just kidding. Rosie, good afternoon. Lisa, good afternoon. Billy, good afternoon, and please make sure that you have all of your supplies. How much supplies do you have today? You only have one notebook. You only have sticky notes. That's not enough. I'm gonna need you to go into the school store and go ahead and go get. I'm sorry, Billy, but you're gonna need to go inside, and I'm gonna need you to go get in the school store to go get some school supplies because you do not have. Please go. Alrighty, seems like I've planned here today. So I would like to do some of the book. So I'm thinking today we're going to do some independent work. Is that all? Is that all okay with you, everyone? Good. So we're going to be, so basically read as many pages as you would like as a brown book. Just please don't read one page. That's all I ask. Just don't read one page. Don't even, like, this does not count as a page because you're not reading it. And some of you have not gone out of your child. Upside down. Oh my gosh, it's okay. This does not count as reading. I don't want reading one page, but anything else. 2 pages, 3 pages. But I must complete all of the slides in the Google Classroom. And then there's also, I sent you all an email, okay? So listen, an email, not in the Google Classroom. Everyone hear that? Some of you went in the Google Classroom last time when I said to go in the email. Go in the email, okay? So the email is basically directions to a notes-taking study. You may need AirPods or headphones. If you need any, there's some in the back over there. Feel free to get some. And after that, anyone who has to finish the essay about